ngithathe nje ngibongele lama team la phumelele la kulelo khanyana le semi final phase iRumba Stars Cebelele Apocalypto ne-United Rangers. Ngicela sibashale intandla. So ngibe nenhlanhla nje nangisadlala i-quarter final. Ngaba part of ngabona ukuthi tiyabulalana. Tiyabulalana kakhulu. Sibonga nje kakhulu kuba baka Sibebe Resort. We understand ukuthi ngale in terms of tourism Sibebe is one of the honey spots le khona la edolobheni eMbabane. Mina ke ngibe nenhlanhla Mr Nkosi. I've been there for several times. Sine nje in our school. Siyenda le staff development. Noma sivalelisa labantwana labacetse ema class. Sivama lokuya letulo eSibebe. So ukhuluma nje ngenzawo lengiyadiba. Manje nje ngiyafisa kanye la ngiodlala nalo Ketamo. Angathi abadudla njengami Mr Khanyile sesingalunga yini lapha. Ngiyalibona lo Ketamo liyawa attracta kakhulu ema tourists. Yeah, for kutherapy nje. After so 70 uhambe uyongcebeleka eSibebe. And we understand ukuthi nyalo seniyawa provide nalama educational tours. Yes, ngengeva nje umphathi akhuluma lokuthi nani sifuna into ye cultural activity you do provide. Yes. So ku encourage nje ma team ukuthi phela lento ye business ngihamba sandla buya sandla. Ezibasasinika nabo labaka Sibebe. Lo sponsorisha ngalo 70,000. Asizameni nathi kuba support. Ungete waya wena personal but motivate other people bahambe bayo support Sibebe. Njengalo ngisho nje nami ngayirecommenda lenzawo. Kwake mina ngayirecommenda singaqala ku sponsorisha. Saya lena and the people were convinced it's we didn't know ukuthi in Mbabane there is such a place. Ehlobo nje kunendoda ebhukusha lapha. Kumnanzi kakhulu. Uyahamba yokhulisha umtimba. So ku very important loku ba support abaka Sibebe. Baka Sibebe badlala irole enkulu developing ibhola in the region lekuyihoho especially eMzimba. Umzimba nawubuka nyalo has improved drastically. Uqale ngesikhathi umzimba ukhonile keep team le ama playoffs. Akumane eMzimba cancel, which I like the most. Now uyashaya yemdlovu ema games akho utshela ukuthi kuyadlala. Lento later wenda sivele every year sifaka i-team. That's a great improvement. Asishayile intandla. So nalonyaka nje nge-2026 nduna abafake. Sifuna kwabona maningi. I-improve umzimba, there is an influence yaSibebe. Because lokunye lokuphinze kuSlimati kungadlala ema game la enough. So now udlala ngala uhludlala i-league. Ubuye udistress ngaSibebe. Uyabona ukuthi kwenta lento yethu iperform. Le business lena kude lo myolo tayi support kwengathine basemzimba because it's a local businessman. Yabona njengaloko asho nje ukuthi ema job opportunities they always prioritize i-community yasemzimba. So asiyisupporteni le business ngato tonke indlela lesinalo. Na Sunday nasiyodlala lapha. Ngeke phela lena is a tourist destination iSibebe Resort. Kufuna ukuthi konke lesikwentako kuphakamise Sibebe. Bese kubade nje kwana sekunemsinjwanyana sekunjani njani. Asimpromote Sibebe. Yindlela endo la yentako. Simsupport ngethemba nje betindzaba. Batasimakethela lendzawo le. Indzawo yethu leya lela Mzimba yekungcebeleka. Coming to ema team ladlala siyanibonga kakhulu and we encourage you ukuthi phela wotani netihlweleteni into supporta le Sibebe bangafiki Sibebe bathi uyaya lapha kanze hlweleti ngafiki ngisho ku 2000 asesambeni nje seku 5000 akubhadalwa mos. Let's invite our fans use social media to invite our fans ukuthi abe khona nibantu nje labadzala be community babe khona sonke will be there Sunday sisupporta le initiative yasibebe la yenda ku community yasemdzimba naye angiwasemdzimba futhi so ngiyacela nje baphathi bami sifuna ukubukela nebhola lesezingeni bo coach sifuna ukubukela rumba sifuna ukubukela ibhola lesezingeni ngiyethemba nje ukuthi bonke abantu bataba khona ngelisonto sibukele nemedia we encourage ukuthi basisupport ngibo laba labasiqhumanisa nemphakathi Mr Nkosi ba very important leli phepha lethi nje leli esha nayi observe it's one of the best papers la supportako kunema social media platform eDustin it's a community lokhanyana a platform yaka social media so we are penetrate nyalo nje uta penetrate wonke lo abikela umphakathi ukuthi kwentekani kahoho line nani ke sisi I want to upload you uyathi ukuthi ibhola yethu sidlala ngekuvolunteer ungababoni ngathi abaholi Mr Kanye at least wena enkundleni khona lokutholako kokugeza ilokwanyana laba ngama volunteer la bayadikhandla but they are doing umsebenzi lomhle kakhulu yes so ucela nje ukuthi simeme i-community yasemdzimba nemacenzelo ukuthi bethe basisupport ngelisonto. I understand the first game inga 9 the second game inga 11 njengalo kashido khu the final ngivengathi nga 2:30 let's come nalabo laba emasondweni abethe after lunch basisupport kutaba kulanga lelihle lelisibebe day si promoter nje kakhulu mina ngiyithanda ukuthi it's as the only tourist destination lesinayo la Mdzimba is the only tourist destination but nje even nalambabani la uhamba khona uyotichaza esibebe ma capital city where you can't just vela bade not the tourist attraction but isibebe is a good site lengibe ngaba fortunate ngafika kuso luketamo nje nasi sifuna sinayiphela i-tournament yize singaka ngilanze bolinda boshemen sike siyongena le ketamen siyabonga kakhulu ma team media kanjalo neCC nebakasibebe sibonga kakhulu.